my beautiful everyday. Love and laughter lead the way. In heels or aprons, dreams still bloom. Through tears and joy, there's always room. For life, for love, for all it's worth, I'm building magic here on earth. With one boy kajing.
Hola guys, welcome to yet another interesting video. Actually, it's a vlog. We will just be doing some things. Today I'm at home. I am going to be doing some preps, meal preps, and some stocking of the fridge, and then we continue. Alrighty, anyway, thank you so much for those who have been subscribing to my channel, watching, liking. Oh my god, you guys are the best. And please hit that notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. Okay, so let's start our vlog.
What will you do, my son? Forget when I come right my house to you, to live, read away. And I were us to do. Sometimes I wish to just escape, but found me locked it so late. Who is watching me to say I miss you? Before you about to pay me out, baby, I'll get you here a mess or everything you do. And makes you wanna curve still. I'd rather give you all of me, just in a bit incessantly. I don't want this way. I miss you. What will you do, my son? Forget when I come right my house to you, to live, read away. And I were us to do. Sometimes I wish to just escape, but found me locked it so late. Who is watching me to say I miss you? Baby, I'll get you even less or everything you do. It makes me wanna curve still. I'd rather give you all of me, just in a bit incessantly. I don't want this way. I miss you well, you lower. Every time I see you for sure, that it seems like the start. I miss you well, you lower. Everything magically too much more than this night. Swallowing through my soul pocket when I come back my heart to it, too late, read away. And I was to be. Sometimes I wish you just to stay. Tell me I could so late to it. It's what you need to say. I miss you. Every time I see you for sure, that it seems like the start. I miss you. You nothing left to quite too much blood in this place. Everything this time before you about to pay me out. Baby, I'll get you even less or everything you do. It makes me wanna curve still. I'd rather give you all of me, just in a bit incessantly. I don't want this way. I miss you well, you lower. Every time I see you for sure, that it seems like the start. I miss.
Hi, my baby. You've woken up. Umeamka? Oh. How are you?
Oh, you have not seen him? Okay, hug him, hug your brother.
Hug your brother. Yay! Yes, anasikia nimwachilie. Baba, you don't have shoe.
Hmm?
You don't want to go inside?
Aja. Come, we wear shoes.
Yeah, go and wear shoes. Okay?
Okay.
Huh? You wear what?
Tell Fred
You anatafuta hizo viatu.
to give you shoes.
You wear what?
Shoes. Brand. Tell Fred to give you shoes. Shoes, you go. Shoes, you go there.
Okay, go and wear your shoes.
Umakauka lips.
Okay, nimechumwa na jua. Okay.
Miss cooking for us something.
I'm cooking for you something really nice. Okay. I see. Haya. All right. nikonga ya ukweli. Guy, nawe. Ay. Bye, Essie.
Mommy, bye.
Bye. Bye.
Tell mommy
Bye. Bye.
Tell mommy bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye. Wow. Oh, Papa. Wow. Wow.
Now coming out.
It's mine.
Mm-mm.
It's mine.
It's mine.
It's
Okay, let me play. 1 minute. Can you do this?
not like that.
How?
You do this, and you do this. And you do this,
But
you do this. Let me show you.
yeah, I can do that. Okay, come.
You do this. You do from here.
From here.
Yes.
Okay. And you?
Yes. I can do like this. Oh my God.
Okay. Let's go do some work. I have some work to do. Okay?
What will you do, my son? Forget when I come right my house to you to live, read away. And I wore us to deep. Sometimes I wish you just the same word. Found me locked it so late. Please watching me to say I miss you. Every time I see the vision, but it seems like this time I miss you. Nothing now take quite too much blood in this small place. Let me bring this up before you about to pay me out. Baby, I'll get you here, and that's all everything you do. It makes me wanna curve still. I'd rather give you all of me, just in a bit incessantly. I don't want this way. I miss you. Every time I see you for sure, that it seems like the start. I miss you. You over everything as I come right my house to you, to live, read away. And I wore us to do. Sometimes I was just the same word. Found me locked it so late. Who's watching me to say I miss you. Every time I see the vision, that it feels like this stuff. I miss you. Nothing now take quite too much blood in this small place. Let me bring this up before you about to pay me out. Baby, I'll get you in a mess or everything you do. It makes me wanna curve still. I'd rather give you all of me, just in a bit incessantly. I don't want this way. I miss you. Every time I see you for sure, that it seems like the sun. I miss you. What will you do, my son? Fuck it when I come right my house to you, to live, read away. And I wore us to do. Sometimes I was just the same word. Found me locked it so late. Who's watching me to say.
So guys, I stepped out kidogo, but my githeri imeiva. So wacha tutoe. My God, this is something nilipata kitambo since nikiwa mdogo yani. So we had some huko chini, sijui zingine ziko wapi. Okay, they're here. I have another one nitaifikia. So I want us to pack these and then we wait for them to cool to pack kwa freezer.
Let me bring this up before you about to pay me out. Baby, I'll get you in a mess or everything you do. It makes me wanna curve still. I'd rather give you all of me, just in a bit incessantly. I don't want this way. I miss you. Every time I see you for sure, that it seems like the sun. I miss you. You over everything as it to just the same word. Found me locked it so late. Do is watching me to say I miss you. Every time I see you for sure, but it seems like this stuff. I miss you. Nothing now to quite too much blood in this small place. Let me bring this up before you about to pay me out. Baby, I'll get you here, and that's all everything you do. It makes me wanna curve still. I'd rather give you all of me, just any bit incessantly. I don't want this way. I miss you. Every time I see you for sure, but it seems like the start. I miss you. You over everything as it clean too much more than this night. What will you do, my son? Forget when I come right my house to you to live, read away. And I were us to do. Sometimes I wish to just the same word. Found me locked it so late. Do is watching me to say I miss you. Every time I see you for sure, but it seems like this stuff. I miss you. Nothing now to quite too much blood in this small.
So guys, we're done for today. My God, I'm so tired. I've done a lot. See you tomorrow. Good morning guys. How are you doing? We are good. Tumetoka ku drop Jake's shule. And then we go take breakfast. But before that, my husband will say hi to you. Say hi.
Good morning. How are you doing?
How are you?
I'm blessed. It's a new morning. I'm here. Shughuli mingi lakini tunashukuru Mungu. Sasa leo na represent Team Kenya kila bahali.
Anyway, acha tuende tukakunywe.
I don't know
Breakfast.
what we have today.
Yeah.
But let's see.
Yeah.
What will you do, my son? Forget when I come right my house to you to live, read away. And it's the same word. Tell me that it's so late. Do it's what you need to say. I miss you. Every time I see the pressure, but it seems like this stuff. I miss you. Left me out to cry too much blood in this small place. Let me bring this up before you about to pay me out. Baby, I'll get you in a mess or everything you do. It makes me wanna cry still. I'd never give you all of me, just any bit incessantly. I don't want this way. I miss you.
So we are done with the breakfast. We are back in the car.
Hey,
my
nakwambia
baby.
leo, but at least leo nimeshiba ile moderate.
I know.
Si ile sana.
I know. So
Vizuri.
tumekuja place, tumeleta nguo za mtoi zikuwe marked juu
Napotea.
as of now tumepoteza sijui ngapi
Hizi hata ni zile mpya.
yeah, so these are the sweaters and these are the fleece jackets and then the trouser and then we have a shirt. Sini hizi tu by the way. So tutaenda
Zimakiwe.
I hope watamark na tutoke nazo.
Hey juice.
No.
Saa hizi. Sure. Alafu unajua shida pia ni wakitoa anachukua yenye si yake, so if it is not marked unaweza pata amekuja na home na yenye si yake na mwalimu haezi kujua.
I know.
So let's go.
What will you do, my son? Forget when I come right my house.
Wow, finally zimekuwa labeled. AJ, let me tell you, I'm very sure that one of the sweaters here, kwanza hii I'm very sure ikuwa yake aliexchangewa, kwanza yake ilikuwa very new, but anyway, so we have labeled them ndio at least zisipotee tena, cause wanatoanga mtoi anachukua yenye si yake. So this is how we did it. This is the sweater and then the trouser. This is how it is. Of course tumelabel place yenye it's not visible, hata hii akikunja hivi itakuwa ndani. So unajua pia kulabel, hufai kulabel pahali nini zinaonekana juu mtu anaweza muita adhanie anajulikana. Unajua mtu hata stranger AJ adhanie huyu anamjua. You know. Yeah, so this is what we did and it took us like 20 minutes actually hapa Kiambu Road, and I love what they did. It's 50 bob per cloth. Haya, twende tumpeleke zingine kwanza hii juu ya baridi, but imagine kabaridi kameisha, si ndio?
So naweza toka nayo asubuhi kesho.
It makes me wanna cry still. I'd never give you all of me, just any bit incessantly. I don't want this way.